The 2013 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, backup camera, power passenger seat, premium wheels, Harman Kardon sound system, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, dual airbags, power steering, driver airbag, air conditioning, front, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel ABS, cruise control, keyless start. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.